Pretty much the only thing I'm good at this game. Freaking rocket ship.
Come on! Tell him about that! Who's our commander? Okay, anyone?
I'm rushing the flank.
Commander, I call something in?
Yeah, that right side.
I'm doing left this time.
I'm going
Our
left
left.
with you.
Well, let's go.
Get back, guys!
I don't see you.
I'm right behind you somewhere.
Oh, good.
This
Hey,
first
I did that
firefight
swimmer
was
ask
so
earlier.
weird. Oh, that's
I think I am.
Where you are.
I'm working on it. Okay, you got your answer.
Oh, you're hard left.
Yeah. Yeah.
Alright, I'm on the road.
Okay. Okay.
I'm right beside you.
Okay.
Oh,
Shit. No, don't come this way. Don't come this way. This is bad. This is bad. You don't want to be here.
Alright.
Oh, they're doing the same shit, huh, Coco Bean?
They're doing the same shit, but just on the opposite side.
Yup.
What are they doing?
I saw that. They're just doing the bullshit on the right by the river where they're just camping and sniping it.
They prone and they blend in with the rocks. God, that
Yep.
shit's so annoying.
Yeah.
And then we have those two people on Marksman. Our
That
Hulkmeister's on
don't do
Marksman now.
shit.
Maybe a Hulkmeister will do something. Hey Hulkmeister, there's always like a sniper on the right side, like off in the fucking bushes.
Dude, they're always just sniping. That's why
Yeah.
you work for this map.
Wait, I gotta move? I'm a filthy camper. I don't move.
They're a bunch of rats and you gotta sniff them out.
Are they actually on the right side?
River, get slightly closer to me.
You might be making
Yeah, they're on the right side, they're like with the shreds and shit.
My bad.
Blocked by enemy. Like the whole team's on this point.
Just
Made a
sniper
mistake.
way on the right
Made a
side.
mistake.
Made a mistake, bro.
I see him, I see him.
What the hell? What the fuck is going on?
The game is being
Is he by the
played.
gas station? I don't see him.
I killed one at gas station. He was in the rocks.
Did he have an M16?
Oh yeah, that was the guy.
My left. Yeah, I think he had an M16.
Yeah, that was the guy.
Okay, let's hold the.
I'm just gonna hold.
We had it last game. But then we lost it and it was kind of hard to retake it.
Got one more at the gas station.
Dude, we're fucking sick.
That guy at the gas station.
Be careful, be careful.
Yeah.
They're waiting for us to make mistakes.
Oh, I got fucking shell or frag grenade?
Almost did a mistake.
Smokes are tough on this game mode because they work both ways.
Yeah.
They do.
You
Um,
watch those rocks.
Just gotta be careful of this
one down, one down.
I have the sniper on the rocks above
Oh,
Charlie.
this is not working. No bipod.
And one of them made a mistake, there's two though. Right there.
One by gas
This is
station.
not a
one
bad
side.
spot right here on this.
Going to their spawn. I'm gonna make a mix.
Oh yeah, there you go. Oh, that's David Gamer.
David Gamer. I wish I was David. The guy.
The guy.
The guy, David.
The one and only.
We all wish we were David.
Is this the cool kids corner?
Yeah, dude. Come on in.
Let's go. I'll jump in from behind the fence.
Do I just run up? Would that be dangerous?
I'm being dangerous right now.
What I've been doing is pretty fun. It's been like 4 o'clock.
One down, one down.
Ow.
They're all behind the rocks.
I'm running up under and through the tunnel. Oh, and the only person that stopped me was behind me. There's no one.
Yeah, they like to be behind you.
Yeah, it's that same motherfucker, the murder guy with the M16 just sits on a rock.
That guy, yeah, he's always up there.
He's always up there.
Okay.
I can kill that guy, we can get past.
We should go fire some.
Oh, this guy walked up right next to me and he didn't see me in the grass. This guy made a vicious mistake.
Vicious.
Absolute blunder.
He's such a nice person.
Salacious mistake.
Check your right. Check your right.
Fuck the right, I'm going left. Hard left, hard left, hard left.
Sure, you're gonna get fucked.
Mad notes out there.
Yeah, I know. The game is being played apparently. Is he coming towards me?
I hear footsteps. What?
Oh, I almost blew myself up.
Oh, fuck me.
Alright,
Same
Takika.
freaking sniper with
Takika.
the M16 on the right side.
Takika.
What's up?
I'm pushing.
What?
Let's go.
Just
Hi.
don't go there.
Hi, let's go.
I'm gonna go kill his ass.
Hi.
I'm gonna do the big flank with you.
Okay.
I got him.
Oh, where are you
posted
guys
up.
at? I'll join you.
Post it up our end.
And hard
Big Rock is
left.
clear. Big Rock is
Oh, I
clear.
see
This
you.
way, this way.
I think we can
I
push
just
guys.
called
So I'm
on
feeling.
mortars on Big
They're
Rock.
not exploding.
Yeah, under, like, inside sea tunnels, like, almost undefended. It's just the top and the rocks.
Yeah, I think I'm crossing right now.
I was able to get in, but that Merca guy shot me from the rocks from behind.
Oh, I can hear you.
Oh, I hear the enemies talking.
Fuck. There's snipers over there.
Oh, you got killed?
404, you're gonna die.
Oh, nice.
Oh!
You fuck him?
Oh, fuck. The right here.
Where is that guy?
I'm coming up.
Oh, there's a guy to the left. Way deep left.
That's where I'm trying to go.
Oh, I got fucking destroyed by the helicopter instant.
Mango is to the left. He's up there and to the left, yeah.
Look out, look out, look out, look out!
If they push you and you're in that spot around there, you're gonna die. That's a very bad spot. Oh.
But the helicopter. The helicopter is what I was worried about.
They're in the caves now, David?
That thing
Bro,
down.
I'm blind as fuck.
Let me get the helicopter.
Please do.
Oh, that was a miss.
That was
Hard left.
He made a
Can you
mistake.
shoot it down?
Towards the gas
You
station.
can't.
Holy shit, I'm just trying to play the game helicopter.
DavidGamerQ is like shooting them down right when they spawn last night. That's why everyone's going fucking crazy about it. DavidGamerQ is a fucking. Oh, I got sniped on the right side. Same dude. It's like the only guy that can kill me.
Helicopter's not dead yet? I put a whole magazine in it.
Pushing us right now for a spark.
No way, dude.
That shit hurts.
Oh, they're on Delta. You guys get up in
What
here.
am I supposed to do about it? There's a fucking helicopter.
Jump into the building.
I'm doing the hard flank.
I got sniped in my spawn. That's really
Check
cool.
weapons.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's happened to me
Dude,
too.
these guys are pushing like way past objective.
Watch out, watch out. Watch out.
And those bullets left the dirt.
Moving up to that battlefield.
Actually beating some waves. Play defensively, I guess.
Use the smoke.
Yeah, it was that heli, dude. Freaking. Put us down a little
Okay.
bit.
Where though? People are invisible.
There's a guy, actually back in lane behind the rocks on the left side.
Oh, dude. That made it so
Right
far.
there, they're coming. That's their spawn, dude.
I killed motherfucking Merca on the rock. He's over there on the far right, like straight up to the right of D. He might go there again. He's
Oh
able
my
to
God.
shoot in like right to the.
There's a guy by the
first
gas
floor.
station. EMR CRT's by the gas station.
They might 10 on us.
Stay away from the windows.
Okay, we are all finished firing. Stay out of that smoke.
It's quiet. What the fuck?
Yeah.
Oh.
Too quiet.
Man, this is just a sweaty game, dude. Compared
Hey,
to
right
last
side, right side. There was a guy running through. Be careful on those fences with the bushes.
time. Was he close?
He was kind of close. He ran past the rock. He might be going around to the gas station.
Got it.
Oh, I see. He's
Merca's already back.
Oh my God. Hulkmeister needs to get off marksman so I can hit the shots that he's missing.
Bomber on the gas station.
Tell him.
Observer on me. Bomber on the gas station.
Yeah, right side.
Quick, get to
That's
me.
good.
Fuck.
Guys,
Observer.
play slow, play
Fred,
slow, play
right.
slow, play slow. Play slow, we're playing waves right now. Don't peek that much.
We can play for time here too, guys. We have this
I
center
got
objective.
one guy sneaking up on the left. Got him. He's going on
We
Delta.
have no need to take anything right now.
There's someone up on the third floor. Yeah. That guy just domed like two of us.
Check us out on site.
Downstairs.
Maybe. Yeah, it's downstairs. Probably this building or left.
Oh no, it was
Nice
here.
go.
I got it. It was stop.
Come here, boy!
Get down, get down, get down.
Outpost, this is Observer. Loading you the bombing run here. Over. Okay, hold on, we send them.
Watch out.
There's this
my big
wall
man.
right here where the light's so blown out that I could see third floor's shadows through the wall on the.
Disgusting.
What's happening?
Careful, careful.
Dude, I just got two of them. They're trying to push hard. I got them, man. Holy shit.
Drones are finished. I hope it helped.
Good job, guys. Good job. We're good at waves now.
Please kill 404. Oh, man.
Oh, dude, he got me on that angle.
Is the left side clear? Or, I mean,
Oh
right?
God.
I'm gonna
They
rock
keep
and rush,
going,
big
like-
rock.
I feel like this isn't gonna be a
Just
game
watch
where
the
we
right.
can even push, honestly.
Yeah.
Probably just gonna have to hold
Ooh,
D.
they got me.
Yeah, I'm gonna start playing on D.
Coming up from the left.
Calling the rockets.
Gosh, it's
Outpost,
Good ass
Observer.
position.
Try out,
Right side of the road. I've hit freaking like 5 guys already.
Push next round or something.
Probably on the second floor.
That's top floor. That's top floor, I think. Oh no, bottom of that?
No, it's bottom. Right below.
Yeah. Quick.
Not on the first floor.
Watch those bottom doors. Watch those bottom doors.
Oh, watch out for that fucking center rock.
There's the waves.
Clear it out.
We have
and
one.
just play
We
time.
have one. We have one wave, but
Yeah.
God damn,
Yeah,
this
stay
is a
safe.
sweaty game.
Hey, brothers.
Yeah, we're fine though as long as we just hold.
People stop saying your name, DavidGamerQ.
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 Dude, DavidGamerQ, thank you for winning us this match.
Thanks for winning us this
DavidGamerQ.
I'd just like to thank DavidGamerQ.
Right side on the rocks, shit.
Okay, DavidGamerQ. Thank you. DavidGamerQ. DavidGamerQ.
Does that dude just play like our audio back to us like that, all fucked up sounding?
You know what? I want to fuck you. So many people talking. Passionately. I did pretty good.
I don't think so, because I hear people say something, and then like after that, I hear their voice like
Don't make me get racist now.
two times as fucked up, saying precisely the same thing again.
You made a mistake. You made a mistake, dude. Just
Yeah, mistake.